Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have what matters, your password and the new email address. Open Facebook, tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Next, go to Contact Information. This is where you add addresses. Add the new email and click Add. You do this now because Facebook requires ownership of both accounts to prevent lockouts. Once done, Facebook sends a verification code to the new address. Make sure to leave this page open so you can quickly enter the code when it arrives. Once you get the verification email, open it immediately. The code or link confirms ownership. Enter the numeric code on Facebook or tap the link to verify automatically. After the verification completes, return to Contact Information and set the new email as your primary contact. This tells Facebook to use it for login and recovery. Make sure to remove any outdated addresses that you no longer control so notifications and password resets go to the correct place. This prevents accident. Finish by removing old emails you no longer use, then sign out and sign back in with your new primary email to confirm everything works. If login fails immediately, don't panic. Try password reset using the new email. If you cannot access the new email or verification, use Facebook's account recovery and trusted contacts options. These help regain access without the original email. One troubleshooting tip: check spam folders and email filters. Verification messages often land there, and block progress if missed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.